All right, here's your example. So you need to go ahead and find the inverse if it exists. If it doesn't, label it as singular. And we've done 2 by 2s up until now, and this is a 3 by 3. So the only thing that's going to change is that you guys are going to go ahead and it's just going to be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, which doesn't change anything except that now you have a little bit more numbers to focus with. So keep your work organized, work through it. Please try to do this on your own. This is very important. This is typically what kids struggle with the most. And then go ahead and come back. All right, and there it is. Look at it, there is one. And so I'm gonna go ahead and just put that on the outside and say that my inverse is this 3 by 3 of 13, 6, negative 4, negative 12, negative 5, 3, 5, 2, and negative 1. Hopefully you guys are improving on getting your problems into row reduced form. Now you're getting a lot more example as you see it's happening in many different problems. So if you're struggling with this still, please reach out to me. I do want to help make sure that you guys get caught up. Once again, this is only a 3-lesson unit, and it's going to have a mini test, so it's not going to continue on because there is a lot of information in these 3 units, or these 3 lessons, and I want to make sure that it's all understood very well.